My name is Daan van der Weijden from Zünd Benelux, and you are now watching the new tutorial of the Illustrator template. In this tutorial we will explain how to use Illustrator for creating a cut file. So you will use the layers and spot colors to create cutting lines, kiss cutting lines, creasing lines, or even routing lines. So let's start. First, you will have the template file of Zünd Benelux or another Zünd subsidiary. In this case, it's necessary to copy and paste the template into the correct folder. I will show you right now. To use a template, we choose New from Template. Well, in my case, it automatically opens the correct folder. So I need to open this one. So you will have this file maybe on your desktop. Copy the file and then go to the Adobe Illustrator. You can go to this folder by clicking on Programs, then search for Illustrator, Adobe Illustrator. Let's see. Okay, it's on the bottom here. Open the Adobe Illustrator version you are using at the moment. Then go to Cool Extras, ENGB, Templates, and paste it in the template folder. By pasting it into the template folder, you are able to open it directly from New from Template. So let's open this template. Now you see an artboard. It's an empty artboard, so there is no data available. Let's open the layer panel over here. If your layer panel doesn't appear in this right section, you can go to Window and click on Layers. Here you see all the layers we are using. We have Artwork for your print files. You have Register for adding register marks. Register marks do have a diameter of 6 millimeters. That's the diameter we are advising. Then you have a draw layer. So if you have a draw tool, you can use the draw layer to draw something on your material. Then we have score. It's like cutting, but not all the way through the material. Then we have crease, kiss cut for stickers, perforate, punch, drill, engrave, V-cut, bevel cut, true cut, and route. What we also have is this panel over here. And here you can see all the spot colors. So let's start. Let's create a rectangle. And click beside the line. And now you see the rectangle is placed in the layer route. But it doesn't have the correct spot color. So we need to assign a spot color. So in this case, if we want to route something, let's choose route. And it's in the route layer. So this is correct. If we save this file as an Illustrator file and send it to the hot folder of ZCC, it will recognize the line as a route line. So the machine will route this line correctly. So what if we want to add, for example, a Kiscut layer? Well, then we can change this line, of course. Let's choose Kiscut. And then let's copy this and drop it into the Kiscut layer. This is already set. So now you can also save this file and send it to ZCC via the hot folder, of course. One thing I missed is that here you can choose a filling, but this is not necessary for the cutting data, so you can leave this empty by clicking on this icon. So what if you want to add a print? Press on this layer, Artwork, and just add your print. Let's choose a color, for example. not a spot color, but any other color. This. Deselect the line by this, and now it's all set. So the Zünd will recognize this as an artwork layer, and it won't cut this layer. So this is only for the print, for the RIP software. But besides adding a print in your artwork layer, we need also to add register marks. So go to the left panel, click on the circle, and then just create a circle. Choose spot color register, and here also. Then make sure that it's in the correct layer, register, and of course make sure that the shape is 6 millimeters by 6 millimeters. Right. So for the cutting, we advise you, depending of the scale of the size of your project, to put 5 register marks around the object. So we have 1 extra here in the corner, so the machine knows which angle it has to take. But it's also necessary for yourself to know what sort of direction your job is on. So this is already set, and now we can send this to the Zünd, but also to a RIP software. So just click on here, Save As, Adobe Illustrator file, that's fine, and hit the Save button. And rename it first, of course. If you want to create a print file, just click Adobe PDF, and then export the PDF. And what's necessary, oh, now I've got an error. Click on PDF, then for my example, I have to click on Documents, Example PDF for the RIP, click on Save. Make sure that these options are checked, because most of the RIPs will have to use the Illustrator editing capabilities to have all the data which is available. Just hit the Save PDF and your print file is ready. Thank you for watching.